Hello everyone, my name is Ruby Yadav and I am a legal intern at Lexis and Company. I am pursuing my LLB from Mary Professional and Law Institute, MDU Rohtak. Today I am going to tell you something about the Saira Bano case, and the sole purpose of my topic is to give you a brief introduction what the Saira Bano case all about. Before the decision of the Supreme Court in Saira Bano case, the form of Talaq ul Biddat and the triple talaq was only recognized in a Sunni law, and it was considered as a sinful form of divorce. Triple talaq is three pronouncements made during a single tuhar. Tuhar is a period of purity, either in one sentence or in three separate sentences. This form of talaq was an irrevocable form of divorce. Now, its position changed after the Supreme Court decision in the Saira Bano case versus Union of India. Now, in the decision of the Saira Bano case versus Union of India, the Supreme Court held that the Talaq ul Biddat, that is the triple talaq, is a violation of the Article 14 and 19 of the Indian Constitution. In Saira Bano versus Union of India case, the Supreme Court held that the Talaq ul Biddat versus the triple talaq was a violation of fundamental right of Article 14 of our Indian Constitution, and it was said that Talaq-e-Biddat is against constitutional morality, dignity of woman, and the principles of gender equality, as also against gender equality guaranteed under the Constitution. Now, in spite of the Supreme Court setting aside Talaq-e-Biddat, there had been reports of divorce by way of Talaq-e-Biddat, that is triple talaq, from different parts of the country. For ensuring constitutional goals of gender justice and gender equality of married Muslim women and their fundamental rights of non-discrimination and empowerment, the Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Marriage Act 2019 was enacted by the Parliament, which received the assent of President on July 31, 2019. This act extends to the whole of India and came into force on 19th day of September 2019. Now, according to Section 3 of this Act, any pronouncement of talaq by a Muslim husband upon his wife by words either spoken or written or in electronic form or in any other manner whatsoever shall be void and illegal. And Section 4 of this Act provides that any Muslim husband who pronounces talaq referred in Section 3 upon his wife shall be punished with imprisonment for a term which may extend to 3 years and shall also be liable to fine. Now, this act shall be cognizable and it shall be compoundable only on the permission of the magistrate. Now, this is all about my topic, that was the famous case, that is Saira Bano versus Union of India. Now, I would love to know your feedback about this video and your views on becoming Talaq-e-Biddat or triple talaq void and illegal. That's it for the day. Thank you so much.